We are TitanZ Plumbing and Air Conditioning, the trusted choice for professional, courteous, full-service air conditioning solutions in Southwest Florida. When it comes to air quality, we've got your comfort covered by providing service, maintenance, repair, and installation for your home or business needs. At TitanZ, we do solemnly swear to run a fair and honest business. That's a promise to all our customers. One that's helped us achieve more 5-star Google reviews than any other plumbing and AC company in Charlotte and Sarasota counties. Our flat rate, honest pricing also means you'll know the exact cost of a project before any work begins. That means no surprise charges. Air conditioning emergency? We're standing by 24/7, ready to deliver 100% satisfaction. So call Team TitanZ today at 941-875-9669 to schedule an appointment or request your free estimate. That's 941-875-9669 or visit calltitanz.com for all your service needs.